श्री रायजादा परिवार और हंस परिवार के इस मिलन पर बहुत बहुत बधाई और शुभकामनाएं। ईश्वर सुकृति रायजादा और सिद्धार्थ हंस की जोड़ी को अनंत काल तक सुखी और समृद्धि प्रदान करे। यही नाना नानी का आशीर्वाद है। सब खुश रहो, भरपूर रहो।
Hello Suku, best wishes for your engagements. Stay happy, stay blessed.
Hello to all the guests present on this happy occasion. My heartiest congratulations to Hans family and Rayada family. I also take this opportunity to welcome Siddharth as the latest member of our family. My blessings to both him and Sana. I am missing everyone but hoping to join all of you in the future celebration. Thanks.
Hi Suku, hi Siddharth. Congratulations on your big day. I'm really missing it. Okay. But I wanted to let Siddharth know one thing, that what he's getting into. You know, Suku is so special. She danced on her first birthday. And whenever she would go out to the playground, you know, if somebody wants to play with the ball that she's playing with, fine, take it. She'll play with something else. Easy going. And the most important thing that I like about her is always smiling. You know, like how we meet, we have to ask people, how are you? We don't have to ask Suku, because Suku is always happy. It shows on her face, in her smile. So have fun, and I'll see you soon.
Hi Sana.
Hello, Batya.
Hi Siddharth.
Hello.
Wish you very happy engagement. And we could not able to make this time, but definitely looking forward to meet you in your marriage. And togetherness is a very important and very interesting thing. And I have personally experienced it, and Sana is one of the witness. So you can speak to her about us, and looking forward to meet your marriage. And till the time, enjoy together and know each other better. Best of luck.
Happy engagement.
Bye.
Love you, Bacha.
Okay. Hi.
Bye.
Hi Sana, Siddharth. I'm Preet. Siddharth, of course, Sana knows me, but I am Sana's Preet Didi from Dubai.
Hi Sana, hi Siddharth. Congratulations to both of you, and we just wanted to take a quick moment to tell you guys that we are missing this, and but we'll make sure that we are there for your marriage. और खूब मजे करो and have a lot of fun, and we'll see you whenever you get married, September, October, whenever.
Yeah, whenever. Yeah, there is no timeline or pressure from our side, but it's your day, so enjoy, have lots of fun, and we will see you soon.
And send lots of pics, and
we'll wait
share
for the pics.
everything.
All right, bye.
Have fun, bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi Sana, hi Sid. Congratulations on your engagement. So happy for you both. Really wishing you all the very best as you begin to plan your lives together. Wish I was there to celebrate this moment, but hopefully I'll be there for your wedding. So take care, enjoy all the wedding preparations and the shopping and all the fun stuff, and all the best. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Sana Bua,
Siddharth Fufa,
congrats. Love you.
Hello Sana and Siddharth, congratulations for the Roka ceremony. Siddharth, welcome to the family, and we are all very excited to have you and hope to see you guys soon and have fun during the ceremony. Thank you.
Hi Suku and Siddharth, all the very best for your engagement. I miss not being there today with both of you in person, and I really wish I could just take a flight to Delhi and come, but as much as we all would have wanted to. So Suku is very special for me, and I love her so much. you know, I've always been very protective of her, and I'm so glad that she could, you know, make it to Bangalore in February, and we had such an amazing week together. And she's my foodie partner, my top secret sharer, and everything we've done together, and it's a blessing to have her in our lives. Suku, lots of love to you, and God bless you both. See you soon. Take care.
हेलो सना और सिद्धार्थ और देखने वाले सभी लोगों को हमारा नमस्कार.
हाय सिद्धार्थ, फाइनली वेलकम टू द क्लैन. फाइनली जिस दिन का हमें तुम्हें सबको बेसब्री से वेट था, वो दिन आज आ चुका है. एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी कुडंट बी देयर टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. This day is very special for both of you, for us, and for everyone present there. I so wish that we could be a part of it. And yeah, Siddharth, I want to tell you one thing, that you are very, very lucky to have find a person so loving and caring. She's such a sweetheart. At least that's what we want you to think so. No, but truly, she is a sweetheart. She is like a baby to me. I so wish, जैसे 1.5 years ago when I got married and I walked into the vows, Sana was always there with me at every step. I so wish I could be there with her, with you guys, and live this moment. But yeah, our love and our blessings and we are always there for you, for both of you, anytime. पर हाँ, एक बात याद रखना सिद्धार्थ, ये एक छोटी सी मेरी बहन, आज हम इसको तुम्हें सौंप रहे हैं. You both are going to get married soon and she will be with you. पर इसको कभी परेशान मत करना, इसको बहुत खुश रखना, दोनों एक दूसरे को. कभी परेशान मत करना इसको, वरना याद रखना दीदी और जिया जी दूर नहीं है.
We wish you both the heartiest congratulations, lots of love and happiness and prosperity. और जल्दी से टिकट्स बुक करनी है तो डेट्स कंफर्म कीजिए और हमें आदेश दीजिए आने का. Lots of love, take care, bye.
Have fun.
Hi Suku Didi and Sid Juju, we wanted to congratulate you on your wedding engagement.
We wish we could be there with you to celebrate this special time, but hopefully we'll all be able to meet soon and celebrate in person.
See ya.
Hi Didi, we missed your engagement and we are looking forward to meet you in your marriage. Congratulations and celebrations.
Congratulations and celebrations. We miss you Didi. I cannot see your engagement. Bye.
किसने सोचा था इतनी जल्दी ये दिन आएंगे कि मुझे congratulations बोलना पड़ेगा शादी के लिए, engagement के लिए. ओहो हो दीदी, too soon. On a serious note, I'm really happy कि you found someone who you like, and it's very unfortunate कि मैं आ नहीं पाई. However, I'm sending you my best wishes and I'm hoping for a lovely future for the both of you.
हाँ जी, सारी प्रिपरेशंस हो गई हैं. मेरा 100 का नोट एकदम तैयार है. ऐसे करके निछावर होगा ये. ठीक है, चलो. मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द एंगेजमेंट. हाँ वही जो कुछ भी है. आई एम नॉट सो गुड इन विशिंग. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस है.
Hi Sugriddhi, congratulations and wish you a very happy married life.